Hey YouTube, Kyron here with a 2014 Jeep Wrangler, and this one got me going a little bit until I figure it out. But it had a Misfire cylinder 2 for ignition fault. Replaced the coil. It was running fine, but then still fault comes and goes. So I want to show you guys what I found, and almost gave up on it, but just never could give up. So let me take you to the engine bay. So being in the engine area, this is p2305 in here. There's a harness in here. Let me show you guys how to unhook it. You pull this pin back, there's a tab here, and then once you press that tab, you pull down, and this wire right here, it's the 5th wire here. So 1 2 3 4 5, it's a blue with a 10. 1 2 3 4 5. It's actually this one right here is right next to the like orange and yellow looking one. It's a fatter one. You can see it right here. It's this fatter looking one. So now on this side, it'll be this one right here. One, you see, you count 1 2 3 4 5. And if you look in the connector, check this out. You see how one of them is in the connector versus being out, making proper connection. And obviously I'm gonna see if I could push this back, but that's our problem right there, and you most likely have the same problem. So inspect that pin in that connector, but it's definitely an issue. I was wiggling this connector side to side, and it was causing the misfire to come and go once you grab this connector and wiggle it, so it wasn't making proper connection. So good luck, and I'll keep you guys posted when I get this corrected properly. Alright, this is what it should look like after you push it in. See how it's nice and high like all the other pins now. It's not there. It looks like, yeah, so if I push it in, best thing to do is, honestly, this harness is garbage. How they design it, the wires are just all too short, and it's just pulling. There's too much stress on here on these wires, and they're just, I'm sure, yeah, it could have been a little bit longer, but I mean, it's just a bad design. So use some needle nose pliers and try to tuck it in, and you should be able to get it higher. I'm gonna try to push a little bit more. So yeah, that's as high as it goes. So let's see what happens when I get this back in here.